Hello, everyone. I'm your instructor for this class, Mr. Rod Matson, and you can call me Mr. Matson. You can call me Rod, whatever your comfort level is. And I thought I'd put a quick little video together here for you to let you put a face to who you're reading about and comments you're hearing, and see who's actually running this class. And I want to welcome you all. Interpersonal communication is a very important topic. It's a good subject to know. It's a good subject to master because no matter what you do in life, you're going to have some sort of communication skills, and you're going to have to learn. And right now, you do have some. You know how to get along with people. However, um, the better skills you have, the further you'll go in an organization. No matter what you do, communication is the essence of everything we do. So we learn it a little bit along throughout our lives, but this might be the first time you actually learn it in a formal academic setting. Now, there is a lot of theories in the communication field. We're a section of the psychology field. We don't deal with mental illnesses and that sort of thing, but we do deal with interactions between people, people with machines, people with organizations, organizational behavior, organizational culture, all those sorts of things. So what we're going to learn this quarter, we're going to talk about the theory of public speaking, and for the, or not, I'm sorry, public speaking. I think I'm in the other class of interpersonal communication. This is our textbook that we'll use. This is for the theoretical framework of interpersonal communication. It's called Interpersonal Communication and You, and the author is McCornack, Stephen McCornack, right up here. And these books are in the bookstore. You can get them or you can order them from the bookstore. I think there's a version online. I'm not sure exactly if not. Now, that's the book we use for our theory, and we'll do a lot of our homework out of. And then this book here is How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie there. So this book here is just a paperback. You can find it for $1 in various places online. If you buy it brand new, it's about $14 or $15. And it's a good book to show the application of the theories we learn. So this book was actually written in like 1911 originally, and it was actually first published in 1922. And then it got its last makeover around the 1930s sometimes. Then it's still out, several editions of this. However, we'll use this one, How to Win Friends and Influence People. And sometimes if you look online, if you type the name in, you can find somebody posted a PDF that's the whole manuscript of the textbook, so of this book. So go ahead and look that up and read it. At the end of the quarter, you'll say it's the best book you ever read. So you'll be happy that we chose this book. All right, so now in this book, this will be most of the chapters. I'm going to have you guys work in dyads, which are groups of two, actually, not really a group, but a pair of two. And you'll do some assignments in here out of that, share with the class, and you'll have a weekly assignment out of here. So we'll get through the chapters throughout the quarter. In this book here, I put quizzes on them, but they're really not a quiz. It's not like a quiz in the traditional sense. It's just that you read a section of the book. There's 4 parts in the book, and there's chapters in each part. So it might be part 1, chapter 3, or it could be part 2, chapter 3. So make sure you watch the instructions for which part and which chapter it's in. All right, so that'll get you set. This is kind of a class that's a little bit difficult online because the nature of interpersonal communication is 2 people talking face to face. However, with this COVID thing and you're all going through it, we'll figure an alternative way to get through it. So this isn't a difficult course to do. There's just some work to it, and I maintain the regular academic rigor of it, just so you're okay to move on to the next level and to kind of keep you indoctrinated into the college experience and academic research and critical thinking and sound reasoning and all those sorts of things to just make you a better person, a better conversationalist, and a better, when you go into your roles, a better wife, a better husband, better brother, better sister, better son, better daughter, better cousin, all those sorts of roles that we find ourselves in. So welcome aboard. This will get us started here. And if you have any questions, be sure to ask me to email me if you like. If you want to meet on Zoom, just let me know, and then I'll ask you for a time frame, and then I'll set up the Zoom in it, and then we can talk on Zoom throughout the quarter, anytime that fits for you. And be sure to ask me for any questions. So good luck over the quarter. I'll talk to you in the written language until then. And then if you want to talk sooner, and I'll post a few of these videos here and there just to kind of stay in touch with you, okay? All right, well, good luck to y'all, and I'm really glad you're taking the class, and we'll make it through this quarter just fine. All right, take care.